Hi friends, today's lesson is for Module 4, Lesson 11. Our learning goal for today says, I can decompose 6 through 8 using counting cubes and number bonds. Decompose. What does that mean again? Hey, good job. Yeah, break apart. So I can break apart numbers 6 through 8 using counting cubes and number bonds. We can totally do that, right? Let me get out my counting cubes. Oh, perfect. Here's a nice long stick of counting cubes. How many cubes do I have in my little train there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Did you get 8 as well? Oh, good job. So good at counting. Okay, I'm going to get my 8 counting cubes, and then I'm going to play a game. The game is called Snap. So on the count of 3, can you say snap? 1, 2, 3. Snap. Hey, thanks. I just took that counting cube and the train of it, and I broke it apart. And I snapped it into 2 pieces. Do you see my 2 pieces? All right, can you point at the piece that is longer? Hey, good job. How many cubes are in that long piece? Yeah, go ahead and count them. Perfect. Yes, there are 5. And how many are in the smaller piece? Hey, great job. Yeah, there are 3. Well, our learning goal said that we can use counting cubes to break apart the numbers 6 through 8, but then also put it in a number bond. So let's put our little snap game into a number bond. Let me move that up there and come out with a number bond. Okay, so how many cubes did we start with all together? Perfecto, 8. And then one of our parts was the long part over here. That was 5. And the other part was really short. How many was that? 3. Perfect. Hey, that was fun putting our new snap game into a number bond. Let's try another one. Here are my 8 counting cubes. All right, I'm going to count to 3 and you say snap. 1, 2, 3. Snap. Ooh, how would you describe these 2 parts, friend? I do see that one part is just 1, so that makes the other part 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, good. Can you go ahead and go grab a dry erase board and a marker? Because I'm going to have you fill in the number bond with me, okay? Press pause while you get those materials and press play when you're ready. Are you all set? All right, let me scooch up those cubes and let's go ahead and draw a number bond on our dry erase board. Is it okay if your number bond is like facing a different direction than mine? Yeah, totally. As long as we have a spot for the whole amount and then it's connected on those paths to the 2 parts, it doesn't matter which way it's turned, right? That doesn't change it. Okay, let's start by filling in our whole amount. So how many counting cubes do we have all together if we put all of our pieces in one big long train? Good. Go ahead and write that in your number bond. Great. Did you say 8? That's totally right. We had 8 altogether. Now, how many was in our big part? This long stick right here. How many counting cubes did we have in there? Great. Can you go ahead and put that as one of the parts in your number bond? Did you put 7? Oh, you're so good. Man, I love it. And then what's our other part of 8? Yeah, 1. Go ahead and put it in your number bond. All right. How do you feel putting all that good information into our number bond? Yeah, you're feeling pretty good about decomposing 8? You should be. You're doing a fantastic job. Go ahead and erase your board, friend. All right. Do you want to play Snap again? Oh, me too. But you know what? I realize sometimes when I want to decompose something, I'm not able to get counting cubes out to snap them in half. Sometimes I just have to draw a line. So, this time when we say snap, I'm going to draw a line on my paper, okay? So on the count of 3, say snap. 1, 2, 3. Snap. Remember I can use that line to show the different parts? Because I can't always be moving cubes around. That's a lot of work. All right, so let's see. Can you go ahead and describe what you see, like the whole amount and then the parts that I made? Can you tell me a little bit about that picture? Good, yes. There are 2 different pieces. Hey, and there are 4 in each part, right? There's none that's bigger or the smaller. They're the same number. So look at 1, 2, 3, 4. for this part, and the other part over here is 1, 2, 3, 4. Hey, excellent observation. Can you go ahead and draw an empty number bond on your board and then try to fill it in? All right, so press pause while you do that. Look at that good picture. Fill in the whole amount on the two parts that you see. Press pause while you do that and then press play to check yourself. Did you fill in that number bond? Don't press play until you're ready. All right, you're all ready? All right, so the whole amount was, great, 8. Yeah, there were 8 altogether. And then we went snap and we broke them into two parts. And one part there was 4, and the other part there was 4. Oh no, can we have two parts that are the same number? Oh, we can? Oh, good. Why can we have two parts that are the same number? Yeah, good. It just depends on how you divide it, right? And that's how we broke it apart. Well, we did a fantastic job, friend. You especially. Because our learning goal said I can decompose numbers 6 through 8 using counting cubes and number bonds. And that's exactly what we did today. So well done. Oh, my dog's excited too. Sorry about that, friends. My dog gets excited when we do math so well too. All right, so now it's your turn. I want you to go ahead and seesaw me a picture of 8 counting cubes that you've snapped into two different parts. Then I want you to go ahead and make a number bond to tell me about your picture. All right, good luck, friends.